That's so degrading, man.
No, anybody would do this. He's a good man.
How big do you want?
I want it big.
As big as you can get it. You gotta fill that hole somehow.
Can you get a little closer there?
Oh.
Yes!
My God, don't pop it!
Brown and ginger? Coming in, guys.
There you go, buddy. Muy bien, gracias.
You got your birthday balloon.
I'll bring it up.
Oh,
So excited! I can't tie it.
let it go down.
Yeah, really.
Shit. Emily, help me.
Oh, Jesus.
Put it down.
Here, stick a straw in it. And then blow it up.
Wait, what are we doing? What are we doing?
Stick a straw in it, and then somebody, where's Jacob? He'll fart in it.
We're going in and around.
Going in and around.
Oh shit, it's lubricated.
It's lubed up.
It's lubricated. I can't.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah. This is real life.
I gotta cut it.
A vial of spermicidal lube was...
Wow, what'd you do that for?
What if somebody had a sperm bomb and it blew up?
That'd be worse than the same time. Shit.
Just 2 minutes. Just 2.
That didn't even work. What is this?
What do you mean it doesn't work? What's a knot?
Actually, that
There's
was
no knot.
when
You
he
have
had
no
something on
knot.
TV and it kept going to fucking commercials.
Oh God, I know.
There's no knot.
Good job, girl. You do it.
You lucky bastard.
Oh my God, that's really lubricated.
Are you kidding me? I can't even tie this shit.
Put my fuel on.
We have onlookers.
What's
up, buddy?
How you doing, sir?
Did you get it?
I didn't even recognize you.
This is our Luby.
Doesn't even look like a balloon. It looks like a weird
Hi, Katie.
Touching homeless people.
Rude. How do you stop this? I don't know.
I want to say Ryan, but I know that's right.
Is it Ryan?